Welcome back to my channel. I'm SharlritaDeloatch, your digital publishing bestie. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about why digital publishers should use Novo Bank for their online business. I'm going to really talk about this bank because I absolutely love them and why you should be using them. So let's go over here to Novo Bank. So this is Novo right here. It is an online banking for not just digital publishers, but I'm really gearing this towards digital publishers because as you are selling, your books, digital products, you got to have somewhere other than, just PayPal or other than just Stripe. You need somewhere that you can put your money. You need a bank account. A lot of reasons why I really love Novo. Number one, it comes with a card. So it comes with a card. You get a card, a debit card, to your bank account. For your bank account, it's so much that you can do with this account. I first started Novo maybe about 2 years ago. Yeah, about 2 years ago, because when I was in publishing, I always had two bank accounts. So I have a main bank account and then I have my Novo account. When I opened a Novo account, the reason why I did that, because as a publisher, I teach my clients that you want to have two bank accounts, one for, the bills for your business and things like that, and one for client services. Because when you're publishing books, you taking money, you got to make sure there is money to produce the book. So I kept, even after I closed down my publishing company, I still kept Novo. So I kept Novo as a option for my business, and I love it because what I do now with Novo is my account that I use for all of my digital products. So it helps me to keep up with how much money I'm making in my digital products, and my Navy Federal account is for my services. So when I provide services and work with companies and things, that goes to my Navy Federal account. So you definitely want to have a bank account. Now, a lot of people are like, well, can you actually go to the bank? I don't really need to go to the bank. Their customer service is top notch. I would say that too. Inside the app, they have a chat feature. I've never really had a problem. And if I did have a problem, I did get my questions answered right away. If there were any issues, you got all of that. Now, Novo is for a business. So you do need to properly have your business set up, which you should as a digital. I don't care what you're selling. If you're selling digital products, if you're selling books, you still need to have a business. You need to have a business. You need to have an LLC. You need to have an EIN number attached to your business because Novo is going to ask for these things. A lot of the features that I really, really love about Novo is that first of all, there are no fees. So there are no surprising fees that they have here. There are no monthly fees. It definitely makes the cost of doing business more efficiently, regardless of the size. If you have a team as well, if you're paying contractors, like maybe outside of like Fiverr, it makes it super easy for you to even deposit money in other people's bank accounts. You can send checks. So Novo will have it where you can send checks. I have used that feature when I had my publishing company and I would send out royalty checks. I would use Novo to send out the royalty checks. So you don't have to actually write it. It actually does everything for you right there. The transfers are definitely free as well. The integration, my Novo account integrates very well with PayPal, and it integrates with Stripe as well. So I have my Novo account that integrates with PayPal and Stripes because my stores, like my PayHip store, is connected to Stripe, and that Stripe is connected to my Novo account. So I know it seems like a lot, but you can definitely make sure that you streamline your business and you have a bank, that you have your funds go to. Okay. I love the virtual banking features as well. The app is amazing. It's an app that you can keep on your phone and you can check your account. You can see, what money is being taken out. The best thing that I really, really love about Novo is that you would get a notification every time there's a charge on your account, every time that your account is say you get a deposit, it's going to send you a notification that you got a deposit. I really love that feature because you'll wake up and you'll get deposits saying you got money in your account. So I love those online features. They do also very protective of the account. It's very easy to sign up. So like when you go over here to Novo, you just hit get started here, and they have a qualification to see if you can apply to have an account. Okay, so you have a business email, create your password and referral code. So I do have a referral code. Okay, so I do have a referral code. I'm gonna put that down below in the description. So put my referral code there, and because I refer you, I get a kickback. It doesn't take out anything out your bank account, out your money, but I would greatly appreciate if you use my referral code and you just get started. So it's very, very easy for you to sign up with Novo. Again, I love it too that it has a way where you can connect with for doing your taxes. So like if you have a like QuickBooks or something like that you use to do your taxes, that connects with Novo as well. So you can keep up with that. I just feel like even while you're running your business, if you really want to run your digital publishing business legitimately and you want to be legitimate, you definitely want to be legitimate. You don't want to be out here doing bad business. You want to have a bank account in which you can keep everything in one place. Okay. Keep everything in one place. It does help you to stay so much organized. Like I know when funds are coming in. For my statements, I can download my statements for each month. It'll let me download my statements as well. So it does help you to stay efficient. It helps you to stay organized. It does help you to do that. So a lot of key benefits for you for as digital publishers. You can transfer money to is that's very easy for me to do, to transfer money. You can apply within minutes. It did not take long at all. Again, you need to be in business. So that means you need to have your EIN number, you need to have your business name, and you really need to have a business bank account. Okay. And this is easy for you to apply for. Again, no monthly fees. No minimum balance required. It's not no. You don't have to have that. Overdraft fees they don't have. It's not really like going to let you overdraft anyway. So it will give you a notification if you don't have the funds in there. You just don't have the funds to cover. It does have invoicing, so it has a free invoicing and budgeting tool in there. I haven't used the invoicing because I don't have a need to use the invoicing. I use Honeybook for my invoicing, but it does have an invoicing. So if let's say you are taking on clients and you want to get your funds, Novo has a invoicing. The fraud monitoring on point. Like they are on point with the fraud monitoring. If they see a charge that is not familiar, they're going to ask you. Like they're going to send an email. You're going to get a notification, just like you would if anything comes out. If they will alert you to let you know, hey, is this you? Because absolutely. It's ATM fee reimbursements up to $7 a month, and is very much insured. The bank is through the FDIC. Insurance is through Middlesex Federal Savings. So when you see Middlesex, or if someone like one of your customers see Middlesex, that's what you're going to see. Okay, like when you are trying to connect your bank to maybe your pay not PayPal, but you're trying to connect it to like your PayHip or something, you will see Middlesex Federal. Again, I love the integration. It does integrate with Stripe. I integrated with Stripe. I use that a lot. So mine is integrated there. So again, I use mine for my digital products. I have it connected to my PayPal account. I have it connected to my PayHip where I actually host my digital products. So it's there. Okay. So it's there for me. So try it out if you don't have any type of bank account for your digital publishing business. You want to have one, at least one. Don't just rely just on PayPal, whatever you need to take it from PayPal, take it from Stripe, and it needs somewhere to go. And you can try Novo, and absolutely free for you to sign up. The card, it's a nice card that you get. Mine is a white card. You get that. The app is amazing. I love that this bank has an app. So yeah, that's just a quick run through of this bank. Get you a bank account. Make sure all your affairs in order. So when it's time for you to do those taxes and those type of things, you'll have everything in order.